Hello everyone. Imagine that it's 9:30 in the morning and everyone is gathered for the daily stand-up meeting. Before starting the meeting, your manager smiles and says that before we begin, let's welcome our new teammate. He looks at the new employee and asks him what's his name. The employee says, "My name is Pankaj." And the manager asks him another question, "What's your age?" So he says his age is 24. The manager smiles and says, "Great, welcome to the team." Now think about this for a second. Did the manager already knows the employee name? No. Did he already know the employee age? No again. So he had to ask the question first. So computers act exactly the same how manager has done right now. He has asked the employee his name and the question. They don't know your name and they don't know your age. They don't know anything unless you tell them. And that's exactly what we are going to learn today. And I will teach Python how to ask questions and receive answers from the users using one of the most important or most widely used built-in function, and that is none other than input. So welcome back to the episode 10 of the Python Mastery series. And in our previous episode, we learned about the print function. So in that, what we have learned, print function helps Python talk to the user. But communication is not never one way. In Python, you can speak, but it should be able to listen also. Python can speak with print function. We are able to Python is able to give an output, but he is not able to take an input. But for Python will also from now onward you can able to give an input to Python also. The the job of Python function is very simple. It asks the user for some information, then it waits for getting the input for user, and it does continue until the user types something and presses enter. So without wasting much time, let's go to our screen and let me write some input function and show how this works. So I hope my screen is shared now, and I have run one simple input function and I will execute it. So you can see here a pop-up has already appeared here, like to press enter to confirm. If I am entering something like suppose RIBA, I will get it as an output, but it is not stored anywhere. Now how can I get this again? So for that I have to assign this into variable. So that also we have already done. What is variable? You can go and see what variable actually does it. Now let's go and assign this input in some variable such as name. Name is equal to input and enter your enter your name. And now if I want to print, I can, let's suppose I am just taking as an input now here, name is equal to input, and I am pressing resub again. Let's resub, and now I want to get the output what was given as an input by the user. So what I will do, print, and I will print the variable name. So print and variable name is name. So now I will get the output which user has entered. So it has entered a resub. Now if I want to take the age, so let's suppose I am taking the age. Age is equal to input and enter your age. Enter your age. Now if my age is 28. Now if I want to take show it as a output, so print age. So I am getting output as a 28. Now let's suppose I want to take see the what is the data type of both the age and name. So what I will do, I will write type name, and name is type of name is string, and again type of age, it is also showing as a string. But here what we should do, like the age which we are taking as an input, it should be a integer type because age is a number. So we should store it in a number format. So for that, what we have to do, we can do a typecasting something, so that the age which we are taking as an input, it should go into memory in a integer format. So for that, what I will do, like I will just do a typecasting. I will just give a int and put it into a small bracket, all the input. Now I am passing int print age, and now type of name is string and type of age is now integer. Why we have to do like this? Why we should not take suppose as a string of type, if the data type is a number, so we should store it in a number format. Why? Because if you want to calculate the age suppose next year, so let's do one thing. If I am taking as an input as age as a string, and if I want to calculate the age next year, so what I have to do, I have to add 1 in that. So but if you will take input as a string, age is equal to input, and input, enter your age, enter your age, and I am taking an input and I am printing print age, and my age is 28. Now let's suppose in next year I want to calculate the new age. So new age will be age plus 1. So let me calculate new underscore age. Age is equal, new age is equal to age plus 1. Now I will go and print new age. Now what I am getting? I am getting an error. Can only concatenate string, not int to string. It means if you want to, like let me suppose write and explain you what it is happening. So it can only concatenate string, means you have to give a string, suppose a Rishabh and my Raj, so that it will concatenate to string, but it cannot concatenate string and number, like it cannot concatenate a Rishabh and 1. So for that concatenation or concatenation of a string, we have to take both data type as a string only for concatenation. It will not concatenate number and string. So now what I have to do, I have to just do int and I passed it as a int, and again I am writing 28, and now I will calculate again the new age. So see, new age is like my previous age was 28, and next year if I want to calculate, the new age will come as a 29, but before that it was giving me an error. So now let's go and do some registration of like new employee. So let's go and create one project, print welcome to employee registration or something like this is we are doing this. You can also create anything, welcome to student registration page, you can create like this also, but I am creating welcome to employee registration page. And now I will get this as an output here. The space here. So I have talked about print also in my previous video about how you can give the argument, pass separator argument and end argument, plus argument. That also you can watch in my previous video. So I have made that already. So now I am taking name, employee name, suppose emp underscore name, employee name is equal to input, enter employee name. employee name and employee age. For age is equal to int and input enter employee age, enter employee age, and now again employee salary. Suppose employee salary is equal to, again it will be a integer or it can be a float also. Let's say take suppose salary is into a float format. So float input enter your salary, enter your salary. And now I am what I'm doing, I will do a print here, print. So registration complete, registration complete, and now I will print this output. Print employee name first, name, print employee age, and print employee underscore salary. Now I'll be printing this. So welcome to employee registration page. It is asking for a name. So let's suppose new employee is Pankaj. His age is 30 and his salary is around 1 lakh. So see, I am able to take it registration complete, and employee name is Pankaj. His name is age is 30 and his salary is around 10 lakh or 1 lakh. So yeah, in this way you can take an input and store it as an output in Python. So I hope like you found this information useful and you enjoyed this video of taking input from the user and displaying as an output in Python terminal or in your VS Code. So if you found this information helpful, so do like that button, and if someone is in technical or if they are want to learn Python, share with them also. I have started this series, so I am explaining each and every topic in detailed way, so you can watch that also and subscribe for getting the latest video. I upload video daily, so press that bell icon also, because I post video daily around 7 to 8 p.m. or 8 to 9 p.m. This is my time, so you can complete your. I post at this time because mainly here are working professional or some of the students who are doing college and want to revise, so they can also watch that at this time. So yeah, this is it for today and have a good day. Thank you. Yeah.